Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we will talk about simple present and simple past, and also regular and irregular verbs in our fifth meeting. The first one is about simple present tense, A form. In the affirmative, the simple present has the same form as the infinitive, but adds an s for the third person singular. He, she, and it. Contractions. The verb do is normally contracted in the negative and negative interrogative. For example, I don't work, he doesn't work, don't I work, and doesn't he work. Spelling notes. Verbs ending in double S, H, EH, X, and O, add ES instead of S alone to form the third person singular. For example, I kiss, he kisses, he rushes, he watches, he boxes, he does, and he goes. When Y follows a consonant, we change the way into I and add ES. But verbs ending in Y following a vowel obey the usual rule. For example, I carry, he carries, and I obey, he obeys. B. Use. The main use of the simple present tense is to express habitual actions. For example, he speaks English every day. The simple present tense is often used with adverb phrases such as always, never, on Mondays, twice a year, etc. For example, he always goes to school early in the morning. The simple present tense is also used with time clauses expressing routine or habitual actions. And whenever and when are usually used. For example, whenever it rains, the roof leaks. When you open the door, a light goes on. Two, we will discuss about the simple past tense, A form. The simple past tense in regular verbs is formed by adding ed to the infinitive. For example, with the infinitive, to work. While with the simple past, for example, work. Verbs ending in E add D only. With infinitive, for example, to love. While with simple past, for example, love. The negative of regular and irregular verbs is formed with did not or didn't and the infinitive. For example, I did not, I didn't work. Negative interrogative, for example, did you not work or didn't you word. B, it's about the irregular verbs form. These vary considerably in their simple past form. With infinitive, for example, to eat, to live, to see, to speak. Simple past becomes ate, laughed, saw, and spoke. The simple past form of each irregular verb must therefore be learned, but once this is done, there is no other difficulty, as irregular verbs, like regular verbs, have no inflections in the past tense. And C, use. It is used for actions completed in the past at a definite time. It is therefore used. The first one is for the past action when the time is given. For example, I met him yesterday. Pastor that in 1895. The second one is or when the time is asked about. For example, when did you meet him? And the third one is or when the action clearly took place at a definite time, even though this time is not mentioned. For example, the train was 1 minute late. How did you get your present job? And I bought this car in Montreal. And the last one is sometimes the times becomes definite as a result of a question and answer in the present perfect. For example, where have you been? I've been to the opera. Did you enjoy it? Okay. I think that's all about the explanation of using simple present and simple past, especially for their verb form. And now your turn is to read, understand, and answer some question related to some situation. Okay, number one, please, who would like to try? Problem situation about Richard West. Either offline student or online student. Could you see well the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who would like to try? Okay.
Yes, sir. Can I try, sir?
Okay, please. Christiansyah Purnawijaya.
Which situation, sir? Any
Yes,
situation?
problem situation.
Okay. Can I try number one for Richard West? Where does Richard work?
Oh, no, please
Richard
read first, Christiansyah. Please read first
sorry,
and then answer the
question. Okay. Okay, sure. Richard West works in an office 5 days a week. He usually gets up at 7:30, has a shower, and then has breakfast. He starts work at 9, lunch at 1, and then goes home at 5:30. In the evening, he usually reads or watches television. And should I answer also?
Yes, please.
Okay. Where does Richard work? Richard works in an office.
Okay.
When does he? Okay. That's number one. Number 2, when does he usually get up? He usually gets up at 7:30 or 7:30. Number 3, what does he do after he gets up and before he goes to work? After he gets up and before he goes to work, he has a shower and then he has breakfast. His work day, he start work at 9, and then he has lunch at 1, and then he goes home at 5:30. In the evening, number 5, in the evening, he usually reads or watches television. That's it, sir.
Okay, number 6.
Number 6, now do this. Yesterday, I'm sorry, sir, the writing is not clear.
Okay, I will try to read it for you. Please listen to it carefully. Yesterday, Monday, was a typical day for Richard. Tell me what he did. Use these prompts. Okay, you have to formulate the questions and answer simultaneously by using
okay, sir.
the prompts given.
So yesterday was a Monday. So at 7:30, he got up. He got up at 7:30, and at 9 o'clock, he had a shower, and then he had his breakfast. He had lunch at 1, and he went home at 5:30. In the evening, he watched television and read books.
Okay, correct. Thank you very much, Christian Shah. I think this is our first meeting with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Excellent. Okay, the second one, who would like to try?
Kasih, sorry.
Okay, maybe Indri. The second one.
Maaf, baru bergabung Pak Eka.
Okay. The other students, maybe?
Ini kita jawab yang di poin keberapa?
Okay, please. The other student. Here, maybe offline student who would like to try? Okay, who would like to try? Intan doesn't want to try. Okay.
Di poin keberapa?
Okay, the second point, Richard wants. Indri, would like to try? The second one? Okay, please. Hello. Hello. Maybe Indri or Ada. Ada, would you like to try? Okay, please, Ada.
Richard wants a change. He often say every day I do exactly the same. Today I got up at 7:30, had shower and then had breakfast. I started work at 9 and 8, lunch 1. Then at 5:30 in the evening, I read book and watch.
Okay, please. Answer the question on the right side. The first one. When did he get up?
He get up at 7:30.
He got up.
He got up.
He got up at?
He got up.
Half past 7. Please be focused.
Half past 7.
The second one. Did he have a shower and breakfast before he went to work?
Yes, He had shower and then had breakfast.
Yes, what? Yes, yes,
Yes, he did.
okay, yes,
Yes,
he
he
did.
did.
The third one? Okay, the third one?
Another student.
When did?
Okay, please, would like to try?
Okay, Indri. When did he start work? He start at 9.
He started
He started at 9.
okay, he started at 9. Next, number 4.
When he did
When
He-
did
he eat lunch? He ate at 1.
he at lunch at 1? Is it correct? Okay, correct. Number 5.
When did he go home? He went home at 5:30.
5:30. Past 5.
Okay, 5:30.
Okay, correct. Next, number 6.
Did he only read last night?
Yes or no?
No, he did not.
Okay, so what did he do?
He read in the
He
evening.
read.
He read in the evening.
He read a book.
He read a book
And then watch.
watch television.
Okay, if you have some problem in reading the situation, please read the copy I've sent to you by using WhatsApp. Okay, number 7. Now do this. Use these prompts given orally by teacher or lecturer, but close to ask the same question yourself. Okay, please ask the question by the same pattern given in the problem situation about Richard on the left side. Okay, please.
When did he get up?
Okay, when did he get up? So your answer is?
He got up. He got up
He got up.
He get up.
He got up.
He got up at
Half.
7:30.
Okay, and then shower.
Where did? Sorry.
A shower.
Did he have a shower?
Yes. Did he have a shower?
Yes, he did.
Okay. Yes, he did.
He did.
Okay, and then the third one, breakfast.
Did he have breakfast?
Yes or no?
Yes, he did.
Okay, yes, he did. Okay, you must be firm. You must be confident to answer. Okay, don't be doubtful. And then work at 9.
When? Oh, sorry. What did he do? Oh, sorry.
Maybe the other ones would like to help your friend. Work at 9. Maybe Rika would like to help your friend.
He start at work.
Would you please to help your friend? Work at 9. Okay, please check again to the situation on the left side. What should you do with this clue? Work at 9.
Did he start work at 9?
Did he start work at 9? Okay, that's the first choice. The second choice, the second one. Okay, Siang. The second one, did he work at 9? Yes, he did. So the second choice, would like to give? What time did
He start
okay?
what
What time did he start
at
work?
9.
What time did he start work? He started work at 9. Okay, and then lunch. Lunch.
When did he
Okay, when did
eat
he?
lunch?
Okay.
When
So
did he eat lunch?
when did he eat lunch?
He
Okay, please.
when did he
Eat.
eat lunch?
He ate. He ate.
He ate
He
he
ate.
ate lunch at 1.
Okay, he ate lunch at 1. Okay, next. Home.
When did he go home?
Okay, when did he go home? The answer is
He went home at 5:30.
5:30. And then a book.
When did he read a book?
He
read
he read.
he
Read.
read
Read.
in the
Read.
evening.
He read.
He read in the evening.
Okay, he read a book in the evening. And then the last one, television.
What he did after reading a book?
What did he do after
What?
reading a book? What did he do after reading a book?
He watched television.
Okay, he watched television. Okay, I hope you can get the point of our discussion about the use of simple present and simple past verb. When you use the form in interrogative form, you must change the simple present become the simple past becomes the simple present. While when you want to give the opinion or positive sentence, you have to use the simple past verb. Okay, don't be confused about this one. You have to answer it carefully to learn together. Okay, next. Okay, who would like to read the illustrative situation? Maybe Noningsih. Would you please to read the illustrative situation? Richard. Richard, work. Okay. Please.
Can I?
Okay, who would like to help Noningsih in reading this situation?
Can I?
Okay, please Indri again.
Okay. Richard worked until 5:30 yesterday and then traveled home on bus. His wife took a steak for dinner. She also prepared a nice salad. After dinner, she washed the dishes and Richard listened to the radio for a bit. Then they both watched a television program.
Okay, what is the answer for number one?
Okay, what did Richard do until 5:30 yesterday? He was work.
Okay, he worked. Okay, the second one.
What did he do then? He traveled home on the bus.
He traveled home on the bus. Okay, correct. Number three.
What were the two things his wife did for dinner? She prepared a nice salad. He cooked a steak and prepared a nice salad.
He or she?
She cooked a steak and prepared a nice salad.
Okay, number four.
Then she did one thing and he another. What? She washed the dishes.
She washed the dishes.
Dishes and he listened to the radio.
Okay, the last one.
What did they both do then? They both watched a television program.
Okay, they both watched a television program. Thank you very much, Indri. I hope the other student will be able to join to this discussion. So your English skill will improve. Okay, next. Hey, Martin. Would like to read? You can maybe? Would you please? Would like to read?
Very good yesterday. We usually have a small breakfast, but we had a very cheap one yesterday. We usually put on some breakfast and goes to work. But yesterday she put on a very usual white dress and then. Sorry. I'm good because I'm still on the way, so I feel dizzy if I read this paragraph, sorry.
Okay, that's the noise from Rika, I think. Next, please carry on.
Usually saying hello to people in the office. Yesterday she said, I love you. Then usually at lunch in the canteen. Yesterday they ate late in a very expensive restaurant. Peter and Jane usually go home in different directions. They went home in the same direction yesterday. They also usually sleep in a different bed. But yesterday they slept in the same bed. Peter and Jane Martin got married yesterday. Okay, the question is, can you really tell early? What about yesterday? Yesterday.
She usually gets up early, but what about yesterday? Yesterday she?
Yesterday she got up very late.
Okay, yesterday she got out very late. The second one.
Yesterday had a small breakfast. What about yesterday?
She usually has a small breakfast, but what about yesterday?
Had a very big one yesterday.
Okay, she had a very big one yesterday. Correct. Number three.
She usually puts on a simple dark dress. What did she do yesterday? What yesterday? She put on a very usual white dress.
Unusual. Okay. Yesterday she put on a very Unusual white dress yesterday. Okay, number 4.
Did she go to the office yesterday?
Okay. Did she go to the office yesterday? Yes or no? I think at the end of this situation, you can infer or make conclusion. Did she go to the office yesterday? Yes or no? You have to distinguish between which one is the habit and which one is the past event. Okay? The habit of her, she usually goes to the office, but yesterday she went to the church. So you can make the conclusion. Did she go to the office yesterday? Hello? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? No, because she married yesterday. No, she did not. Okay. Okay, you have to distinguish between the habit and the past event. Okay, that's the point of simple present and simple past. Next, number 5. No or yes? Okay, please check again to the situation. She
Yes, he did.
usually, yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
But yesterday?
No.
No, she did not. What did she say? What did she say yesterday? She said,
I love you.
oh,
She
she said, I love you too. Okay, like that. Ya, jadi ya. Next, okay, ada dia ketawa ya. Jadi, she said, I love you, but she usually says hello to Peter. Okay, number 6. Did they eat in the canteen? Did they eat in the canteen yesterday? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yesterday. She got married yesterday. So
It's no.
she did they eat in the canteen? No or yes?
It's no.
No or yes? Rika, please.
No.
No, why?
No.
Now,
Because yesterday they ate in a very expensive
okay, that's
restaurant.
correct. Because they ate in a very expensive restaurant yesterday. Okay, please learn again about this function of simple present and simple past. And then number 7. They usually go home in different direction. Tell me about yesterday. They went home in the same direction. Number 8, did they sleep in different beds? If they got married yesterday, What did
No,
they do? They
I slept
Okay,
in
they
the same
slept
bed. In the same bed.
in the same or indifferent?
In the same bed.
Okay, in the same bed. Oh, Rika ini hafal sekali mengenai bed ya. Biasa di hotel. Oke, berarti jawabannya yes or no? No, no,
No,
they
no, they slept in the
they
same bed
didn't.
yesterday.
Okay, the last one. What happened yesterday?
Peter and Jane Milton got
Okay,
married.
Peter and Jane got married. Yes, yesterday. That's the point. Okay, I think all of you are still confused with the use of simple present situation and simple past situation. By using this example, I hope you will be able to understand the application of these two tenses. Okay? I think the time is over. I will close this meeting and I will give you again the link of the second session.